Sites, confusion continues to grow. First, it was about appointments. Now, actual healthcare workers are being turned away. Let's go to Local 10 News reporter Amy Viteri live now to explain for us tonight. Amy.
Well, Calvin, we're talking about appointments that were set up by the state's scheduling system, and then these workers were turned away. And the issue seems to be with how staff here on the ground is interpreting the state's version of an eligible healthcare worker. There is a lot of discretion, and we heard two different versions from both state-run sites. As you can imagine, people are confused.
We've been open since the pandemic started. We have never missed a day. Healthcare personnel with direct patient contact.
That's the criteria listed on the governor's executive order for the first phase of vaccine distribution.
Give me a little bit of pressure, please.
Staff here at Dade Physical Therapy are hands-on and up close with their patients, but say they were turned away from vaccine appointments at Marlin's Park.
Because people were abusing the system, they are now stricter and only approving frontline healthcare workers such as EMTs and paramedics.
A supervisor at the Marlin's Park site tells us they were instructed by the state's Division of Emergency Management to only vaccinate healthcare workers in contact with COVID-19 patients. However, at the Hard Rock, the other state-run site in the county, a spokesperson tells us per their guidelines from the state, any documented healthcare provider with patient contact can get their shot.
Nobody knows who's in charge, who to contact. I thought the easiest thing would be is for them to honor the appointments that they made.
An rabbi, an imam, and a pastor.
Also Thursday, the governor bringing a vaccination pod to the Aventura Turnberry Jewish Center. This one, the first of its kind.
Is the first faith event where we're doing it interfaith. So you have folks from all walks of life, all different faiths.
Now back out live at Marlin's Park, important to remember workers at each of these state-run sites do have to use their own discretion when evaluating who gets in to get their shot. And from what we learned today, it does appear that there are two separate sets of rules at Marlin's Park and at Hard Rock Stadium. So we're working to get more clarification from the state on that. Also today, Miami-Dade County rolling out something lots of people have been waiting for, a platform where seniors and healthcare workers can actually sign up by phone or online to get their name on a list to be contacted when vaccination appointments become available. We're live at Marlin's Park. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.
Okay.